Hi, tubers. My buddy gave me this drill. I'm looking it up online, but I believe it's for drilling for oil. Anyway, it's your Skookum. They call these cones. It is a triple cone. And it looks like online, inside each one of those cones, there's 3 bearings. This one's seized up. It doesn't turn. But these, they're supposed to turn. And then water shoots down from that side, the bottom side there, and it shoots out here, flushes out all the material. And I don't know how the material gets sucked or moved back up to the top. This is heavy. Oh, I figure it's about, it's got to be 200 pounds. And I believe these are tungsten carbide. They're not diamond. I don't think they're diamond. So I'm just Googling it with these numbers. So it's a pretty interesting piece. Just put it in my right outside my door here. Hopefully nobody's gonna steal it. I don't know, maybe I'll put a chain through there and around the barbecue. I don't know. I hate to see it disappear. It's just a nice art piece. But yeah, kind of cool. I'm not sure the price. I heard someone say, well, $100,000, $50,000, $80,000 for one of those. I guess that's possible. The amount of work that goes into it, just building it, is incredible. There's a lot of machining and engineering involved. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoyed that one. Bye.